Air conditioning systems. We don't think about them much, yet they bring us so much comfort into our lives. So what happens when your air conditioning is no longer working? AmeriTech Air Conditioning and Heating knows what to do. Our certified technicians are experts at locating and fixing the problem at hand. But did you know many of the air conditioning problems can be prevented? Waiting until your air conditioner needs to be repaired can void your warranty and may end up costing you more than you need to pay. Save money and improve on your AC's performance and lifespan by purchasing one of AmeriTech's maintenance plans. Book an appointment today for only $69.95. And if you're looking to purchase a new system, we have one that is right for you, available and ready to install. Right now, save up to $750 on qualifying AC systems. These prices won't last long. Call us today for all your AC needs. AmeriTech Air Conditioning and Heating, 407-532-8000.